1. Marriage as a civil contract. In Rhode Island, marriage is legally defined as a civil contract between two people in the state. Asterisk Symes RI General. Laws, Section 15 to 1, asterisk asterisk. When a man signs a marriage license, he is entering a three-way agreement where the state is a silent third party. This contract gives the government the authority to use the family court to divide assets, property, and access to children if the relationship ends. 2. The birth certificate. This document is used to register a human being into the state's administrative system. It creates what is known in law as a legal identity. This registration brings the individual under the jurisdiction of the state, which the government then uses to enforce rules regarding education, health, and parental obligations. It acts as the entry point for all future legal and financial interactions with the government. 3. The Social Security card. This is the federal side of the contract. A Social Security number is a lifelong account number used by the federal government to track an individual's earnings and tax obligations. While it is used to determine eligibility for government programs, it also serves as a permanent tracking system that links a person's physical identity to their financial and legal responsibilities to the state and federal government. 4. The trap for young men. Many young men enter these agreements, marriage, signing birth certificates, or applying for Social Security numbers without being taught the legal consequences. They often view these as social milestones, unaware that they are entering binding contracts that grant the state the power to enforce financial mandates like child support or alimony. By the time many realize the extent of the state's authority over their lives and property, the contract is already in effect. 5. State intervention, DCYF. The state uses the information from these registered identities to monitor and regulate families. If a parent's choices do not align with state-mandated standards, the government can use agencies like the Department of Children, Youth, and Families, DCYF, to intervene. While Rhode Island law, RIS 2386, prohibits DCYF from investigating solely for declining a vaccine, the state can use other rules like mandatory school attendance to claim educational neglect and force its way into the family. 6. The default terms. When a person enters into these state-managed contracts, the fine print is written by the legislature, not the individual. Unless a person writes their own private contract, like a prenuptial agreement, they are automatically agreeing to the state's default rules. This ensures that the state remains the final arbiter in all personal and financial disputes within the family unit.